At the state capitol, data centers continue to be a hot topic in Michigan. And now a bipartisan group of state lawmakers is proposing a pause on new data center approvals. 13 Your Side's political reporter Josh Albertus heard from lawmakers behind the bills on why they're putting it forward and how long that pause would last. Josh.
Yeah, Elena, if passed, that would last from when these bills would take effect through next spring. Those behind them hope they'll help give the state time to talk about this and come up with a comprehensive way to handle with these new developments. It's been a bitter debate for a while now in Michigan.
The only sentiment I hear loud and clear is none of us wanted it here.
Data centers and what many locals fear they may bring.
We want to just at the very least make sure that the cost of everything doesn't come to the residents.
Concerns balanced with potential investment has left state government trying to decide how to approach it.
Data centers and the good paying jobs that they do provide communities, how do we bifurcate that with regulations and checks on the process that ensure if they are coming to Michigan, they're not using our water and they're not driving up energy costs and they're entering into community benefit agreements.
Now, bills moving through the legislature are looking to halt new data center project approvals for the time being.
What we're learning from the people as these come to communities is people want us to take a pause. They want regulations.
A pause would allow us to reevaluate this and see where can we come to a compromise, because I think that's what it's going to take here.
Republican State Representative Jennifer Warts joining with lawmakers, including Democrat Dylan Wagella, to put a pause on local governments authorizing new data center projects through next April.
Until hopefully we have just a broader conversation here and come up with some good guardrails on how we're going to bring data centers into Michigan.
The state's Public Service Commission would also be barred during that time from making certain approvals between an electric utility and a qualified data center.
And I think it would be in Michigan's best interest that until we have the environmental, the economic regulations in place, to put a pause on further data center expansion in the state of Michigan.
Now, these bills were introduced late last week and are now on to committee. From what we gathered today, it still seemed unclear what the timeline may be in moving them forward.